Okay, so to view your gallery, you need to go to my website. It's chrisdambrosiostudios.com. Once you get to my homepage here, you want to click Clients in the menu. Then you're going to click Enter. And then you're going to put in the password I gave you. Then click Open, and now you're in your gallery. So you'll see the different images that I have in there. This one here is called the Memory Mate, and this one is included in the All-Star package. I'll get to that in a second. So to view your images, you could click on it and make it bigger. These arrows you could scroll through them, go back. So now let's say you like this one. So what you'll do is click the shopping cart. It'll prompt you for your email address. And you'll see here we have packages and products. So I'll just click products first. And you can see you have, this is where you would have your coffee mugs and water bottles and acrylic prints and things like that. To see the different packages for prints. So we have high resolution digital images, low resolution. This is good for sharing on social media. The high resolution one is good for, you could make photographic prints, as many as you want, as big as you want. We have vinyl banners, like this one here would be good for a vinyl banner. It's 2 foot by 3 foot, it has metal grommets in it, water resistant, waterproof, it could be outside. And then we have the different packages. We have Starter, MVP, and All-Star. So the Starter and MVP is one pose, meaning one image. And when you open it up, you'll see the different options. So if you want the Starter package, you click Add to Cart, and then you would just hit the plus sign. So this comes with a few 5x7s. So you'll see I click on it, and then in this one, another option opens up, click on it again, and you want to fill up all these boxes, okay? And I want to show you the All-Star package because this one has 2 poses in it, or 2 images. So this one is a little different. If you click on it, you'll see that, let's see, you want one 8x10, one 5x7, or maybe 2 5x7s of this one, and then your 4 wallets. So now it says over here, add more images. So you would click this, and then you would just scroll to the other one you want. Maybe it's this one. Click the shopping cart. Now it brings you back here, and then you could fill in the rest. With this one. Okay, so you can mix and match. And this one comes with the Memory Mate that I was showing you before. It doesn't give you the option to pick it here, but this one comes with that. So once you make this order, and I see that you order the All-Star package, I will include the Memory Mate with it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always shoot me an email or give me a phone call, and I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can. Thank you.